Kala Shah Kaku is an interesting town located in Pakistan's Sheikhupura district, part of the Punjab province. It is not a very large city, but it is growing in importance. Many people are now familiar with its name. It serves a key role in the region. The town sits at an altitude of about 209 meters above sea level, roughly 686 feet. This height is typical for the plains in this area. The land around is mostly flat, making it good for farming and building roads. One of its main roles is being an entry point to Lahore, a very big and historic city. For those coming from the north, Kala Shah Kaku is often one of the first signs that Lahore is near. This makes it a busy transit point. The significance of Kala Shah Kaku is increasing. It is becoming more than just a stopover. New industries are setting up here. More people are choosing to live in the area. This growth brings both opportunities and challenges. The town is slowly transforming. It is adapting to its new role in Punjab. Understanding this town helps understand the wider region.
Kala Shah Kaku is situated on very fertile land, part of the vast Punjab plains, famous for their agriculture. For centuries, people have grown crops here. The soil is rich and productive due to the rivers that cross the region. The Indus River system waters these plains, making it a breadbasket for Pakistan. The Ravi River flows close to Kala Shah Kaku, bringing essential water for irrigation. Farmers rely heavily on the river to keep their fields green and productive. The river has also shaped the history of the area. People have always settled near sources of water like the Ravi. The landscape here is mostly flat, characteristic of the Indus alluvial plains. The land is also considered semi-arid, meaning it does not receive a lot of rainfall naturally. Irrigation from rivers like the Ravi is therefore crucial. This combination of flat land and river water defines the local geography. Agriculture dominates the views around Kala Shah Kaku. Common crops include wheat, rice, and sugarcane. Vegetables are also grown in abundance. These farmlands are vital for the local economy. They provide food and livelihoods for many people. The scent of the earth and crops is often in the air. This rural charm is a big part of the area's identity.
The natural vegetation in Kala Shah Kaku is adapted to the semi-arid climate. You will find hardy trees and shrubs that can survive with limited water. Grasses also cover parts of the landscape, often found along roadsides and in open fields. Human settlement and farming have changed the original flora. Much of the land is now cultivated for crops. Common trees in this region include shisham and kikar or acacia. These trees are tough and provide good shade. Eucalyptus trees have been planted in some areas too. Fruit trees like mango and guava are grown in orchards, adding to the greenery and local produce. The local fauna includes various species. You might see different types of birds like pigeons, sparrows and crows. Near water sources you might spot kingfishers or egrets. Small mammals like rodents and mongooses live here. Reptiles such as lizards and some snakes are also present. However, wildlife populations have been affected by development. Their natural habitats are shrinking. Industrialization has had a noticeable impact. Pollution from factories can harm the environment. Habitat loss is a major issue for wildlife. As the town expands, natural areas are converted. This puts pressure on the remaining species. Finding a balance between development and nature is a challenge. Efforts are needed to protect the local biodiversity. Kala Shah Kaku experiences a semi-arid climate with distinct weather patterns. Summers are very hot, while winters are generally mild. There are mainly two dominant seasons here, with short transition periods. Understanding this climate is important for visitors. It helps in planning a comfortable trip. The summer season lasts from April to September. During these months, temperatures can get very high, often exceeding 40 degrees Celsius. The monsoon period brings some rain, usually in July and August, providing relief from the heat. Winters in Kala Shah Kaku are quite pleasant, typically running from November to February. Daytime temperatures are mild and comfortable, usually ranging from 15 to 25 degrees Celsius. Nights can be cool, sometimes dropping below 5 degrees Celsius. Frost can occur on some colder mornings. This weather is ideal for outdoor activities. People generally enjoy this time of the year. The best time to visit Kala Shah Kaku is during the cooler months from October to March. During this period, the temperatures are moderate, the days are sunny and pleasant, and the nights are cool and refreshing. This makes it easier to explore the area. You can enjoy the outdoors without the extreme heat of summer. This is when most people prefer to travel in this region.
Section 5. Growth's shadow environmental concerns in focus. Kala Shah Kaku is growing fast. This rapid development brings environmental challenges. The increase in industries is a major factor. More factories mean more potential pollution. The natural environment is feeling the pressure. Local authorities and communities face these problems. Finding solutions is very important for the future. These issues affect the health of people and the ecosystem. One significant problem is groundwater contamination. Many industries are located in and around the town. Some factories may release untreated waste which can seep into the ground and pollute the groundwater sources. People rely on this groundwater for drinking and irrigation. Contaminated water can cause serious health issues. Agricultural runoff, with pesticides and fertilizers, also contributes to this problem. Air pollution is another growing concern. Factories release smoke and emissions into the air. The increasing number of vehicles adds to this. Trucks, cars, and motorcycles produce exhaust fumes. This can lead to poor air quality. Smog can be a problem, especially in winter. Poor air quality affects respiratory health. It also reduces visibility and impacts the general well-being of residents. Managing industrial waste is a difficult task. Proper disposal of hazardous materials is crucial.
Section 6. Nature's Nooks, Finding Peace by the River and Fields. Despite the industrial growth, there are still places where nature offers some peace. Kala Shah Kaku has some natural attractions. These are often simple and part of the everyday landscape. They provide a break from the busy town areas. Locals often use these spaces for relaxation. Visitors can also find some quiet moments here. These areas show a different side of the town. The banks of the Ravi River are one such place. Though the river faces pollution challenges, its banks can be serene. People sometimes go there for walks. Fishermen might be seen casting their nets. The flowing water has a calming effect. Sunrises and sunsets by the river can be beautiful. It offers a connection to the natural rhythm of the region. The river has always been important here. The surrounding farmlands are another natural attraction. These vast green fields stretch out around the town. They offer a glimpse into rural Punjabi life. Walking or driving through these areas can be refreshing. You can see farmers at work. The seasonal crops change the landscape's colors. In spring, mustard fields are bright yellow. Later, wheat fields turn golden.
Section 7. Echoes of the Past. Culture, History, and Local Flavors. Kala Shah Kaku has a history rooted in the rich past of the Punjab region. The area has seen many eras. Some say its name has links to the Mughal period. This powerful empire ruled much of South Asia. Their influence is still seen in architecture and culture. While not a major Mughal city, the surrounding region was important to them. Old routes passed nearby, connecting larger centers. The town's name is believed to come from a Sufi saint named Shah Kaku. Sufi saints are revered in this part of the world. They were spiritual leaders and teachers. Many towns and villages are named after them. There might be a shrine or tomb dedicated to Shah Kaku. Such places are often centers of local devotion. People visit them to pay respects and seek blessings. This adds a spiritual layer to the town's identity. Local festivals are an important part of life. These include religious celebrations like Eid. Urs festivals, marking the death anniversaries of Sufi saints, are also common. These events bring the community together. There is often special food, music, and prayers. Cultural festivals might celebrate harvests or changing seasons. These traditions connect people to their heritage. They are colorful and lively occasions. The food in Kala Shah Kaku is typically Punjabi. This cuisine is known for its rich flavors.
Section 8. The modern pulse industry, education, and new homes. Kala Shah Kaku is rapidly modernizing. A key feature is its large industrial complex. This area is home to many factories. These industries produce a variety of goods. Textiles, chemicals, and engineering products are common. This industrial estate provides many jobs. It attracts workers from nearby areas. This has been a major driver of the town's growth. The complex is a hub of economic activity. Educational institutions are also growing in number. There are schools for children of all ages. Colleges and vocational training centers are being established. These provide opportunities for higher education and skills development. This is important for the young population. Access to good education helps improve lives. It also supports the needs of the growing industries. More educated people contribute to the town's progress. New housing projects are changing the town's look. As more people move here for work, they need places to live. Developers are building new residential areas. These range from simple homes to more modern housing schemes. This urban expansion is visible all around. The town is spreading outwards into the surrounding farmlands.
Section 9. Your journey to Kala Shah Kaku, access and smart travel. Getting to Kala Shah Kaku is quite straightforward. It is well connected by road. The famous Grand Trunk Road or GT Road passes nearby. The Lahore-Islamabad Motorway, M2, also has an interchange for Kala Shah Kaku. This makes travel fast and convenient from major cities. Many buses and vans travel these routes. When visiting, it is good to know some travel tips. Public transport is available, like buses and auto rickshaws. For more flexibility, you can hire a car. It is wise to respect local customs, dress modestly, especially when visiting religious sites. Learning a few basic phrases in Urdu or Punjabi can be helpful. People are generally hospitable and welcoming to visitors. Always carry some water, especially in warmer months. Kala Shah Kaku is very close to Lahore. Lahore is a major cultural and historical city. It has many famous attractions. These include the Badshahi Mosque, Lahore Fort, and Shalimar Gardens. You can easily combine a visit to Kala Shah Kaku with a trip to Lahore. It is only a short drive away. This allows you to experience both the industrial town and the historic city. Many people use Kala Shah Kaku as a base or pass through it.